Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Toyota Prius. It's a hybrid. It's ridiculously good gas mileage. And it is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. See, it does have alloy wheels. Has a cargo cover right there, and as these seats fold down, you end up with a lot of space there. You saw noted there on the badge that it is an all-wheel drive. It does have charcoal colored fabric seats. Here's the VIN right here. I will upload a still photo of that as well. Okay, and go ahead and turn these lights off so that this will brighten up. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and run it through a startup sequence for you. Okay, you see that it has 47,265 miles on this vehicle. As you come down here, you have your infotainment, which you do have AM and FM and Bluetooth. And if you were to plug any of these in, the CD, USB, or auxiliary, then they would light up. Here's your setup. And your vehicle customization for locks, lights, climate, and such. And here are your car stats, and here's your Bluetooth so you can connect a phone. And if you want to put it in reverse, then there's the backup camera, and you see that as it kicks on, then it lets you know that. Okay, here's your shifter. We'll go ahead and put it back into park, and there's your drive mode selector for normal, power mode, and eco mode. So, and then here's your EV mode as well, and then cup holders and power outlets right here. And so you have your USB, auxiliary, and 12-volt power outlets. Okay, and going back over to eco mode, and then we can go ahead and hop out. Now this vehicle does have a branded title. It was in an accident, had a little bit of damage here up front, and then that was up front and center, and then the rear and the center. The airbags did not deploy, there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.